Don't download Zoho One Enterprise Suite app before watching this. Before you download Zoho One Enterprise Suite, here's the truth. It's not just a collection of apps. At the enterprise level, Zoho One integrates CRM, finance or marketing and collaboration tools, but most teams get this wrong by underestimating setup complexity. Step 1. Map your workflows. Zoho One's power comes from connecting apps. Most people get this wrong by deploying apps in isolation, which leads to data silos and inefficiencies. Step 2. Define user roles and permissions. With dozens of apps and users, proper permissions are crucial. The surprising truth is, without careful configuration, sensitive data can be exposed or inaccessible to the wrong teams. Step 3. Customize and automate. Zoho One allows automation across apps for approvals, reminders, and notifications. Without strategic planning, automations can create chaos instead of saving time. Step 4. Train your team. Enterprise adoption depends on familiarity with dashboards, reporting, and inter-app workflows. Teams that skip training underutilize the platform, reducing ROI. The upside: proper implementation of Zoho One Enterprise can streamline operations, reduce app costs by consolidating multiple tools, and improve team collaboration across departments. So, should you download it? Yes, but only if your organization can dedicate time to plan workflows, manage permissions, automate strategically, and train users. For smaller teams or single departments, individual Zoho apps may be more practical. Subscribe for honest insights before investing in enterprise software to avoid costly mistakes.